my dear students, once again I am there with you teaching you math subject. Today we are going to study exercise 5.2 subtract, and you can see children here your question number 1 is you have to subtract minus 6 by 11 from 4 by 11. Children, you see in integer lesson also we have studied this type of sums, even in fraction lesson also. Method is same, only the numbers are changing. Let me explain you simple example first. Suppose your question is subtract minus 2 from 6. So the word from, after from whatever the number that you have to write always first. So I will write 6, and now from 6 I have to, what I have to do, I have to subtract. So I will put subtraction sign. Now what I have to subtract? I have to subtract minus 2. So we write here minus 2, and then just simplify. Minus into minus is plus. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Children, don't change the numbers here and there without any reason. Okay, so this is how we are always doing. Now in the same way, whatever we have done now, only the numbers are changing. See, the question is there with you. Subtract minus 6 by 11 from 4 by 11. So children, you know what you will write first. You will write 4 by 11. From here, from 4 by 11 you have to subtract, and as it is negative rational number, so take bracket always. And now just simplify. You know minus into minus is plus 6 by 11. And now children, you can see the denominator is same, so no need to find LCM. 4 plus 6 is equal to what? 4 plus 6 is 10 by 11. So in this way you can solve all the sums. Let me take one more example. This was first one. Just move to fourth one. What is that? Again the heading. Heading is related with the question. Subtract minus 4 by 9 from minus 6 by 8. Okay. So it means from. So what you have to write? Minus 6 by 8 first. Minus 6 by 8. From minus 6 by 8 you have to subtract the first rational number, that is minus 4 by 9. Now just simplify. Okay. So here it will be minus 6 by 8. Minus into minus plus 4 by 9. And now you know the denominator is not same. So we find LCM. What is LCM? 72. So here you will write 72. 72. Now see, here 8 is there, so it means by what you will multiply? By 9. So here also by 9. 9 6 are, direct we will write 9 6 are 54. Wait, 54 and plus 8 4s are 32. 32. Now simplify. 1 negative, 1 positive, you have to always subtract and put greater number sign. So what is the answer for this one? 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 5 minus 3, 2, and greater number sign by 72. Now this you can reduce in the standard form. So both are divisible by what? 2. So divided by 2 you will get here 11 and here 36. So your answer is minus 11 by 36. Okay. So children, in this way you can simplify all the sums. Now let's move to second question. Your question number 2 is evaluate each of the following. And here direct given that whatever the sums written here, direct mentioned that 5 by 7 minus 3 by 8. So here from word is not there. So in whatever way it is given, in the same way you will solve it. Okay. So let's see. Question 2. Evaluate. Okay. Now I am taking second sum. Second is what? Minus 2, 1 by 5 minus 6. Okay, now you know, convert mix into improper. So 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 11. So it will be 11 by 5 minus 6. Here there is no denominator, so you take 1. Now whenever 1 is there, what will be your LCM? 5 1s are 5. And now if the LCM is multiplication of these two denominators, so you can use here cross multiplication, remember. Okay, so minus 11 into 1 is 11, minus 6 5s are 30. Now simplify, both are negative, so you have to add 30 plus 11 is what? 41 by 5. And this you cannot reduce in the simplest form, so this is the answer, children. Okay, and see the third one, only just I will write 2 steps and remaining you can do. Let me tell you, 5 by 63 minus 6 upon 21. Okay, now you know 5 by 63. Okay, and minus into minus is what? Plus 6 upon 21. And now you know, you will find its LCM and complete the answer. Okay, complete the question. Now let's move to question number 3. Today we are going to study up to question number 5. Children, see, all these questions we have already studied in the previous lessons. Method is same, just numbers are changing, remember. Okay, now let's move to question number 3. Now question number 3, what is your question number 3? What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 2 to get minus 31 by 14? See, this type of sums we have seen in integers also. So what should be subtracted from minus 3 by 2 to get minus 31 by 14? So we don't know what we have to subtract. So let the number whatever you have to subtract is what? X. So what we write? Let solution, let the required number to be subtracted be X. What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 2? So what we have taken from minus 3 by 2, you will subtract what? X. Now according to question you have to write from minus 3 by 2 you have to subtract what? X to get means जो हमको मिल रहा है, और whatever we are getting that we write after equal to sign. And what we are getting? Minus 31 by 14. So now you know, you want numbers on one side and variable on other side. So it's your choice. Now children, you see here minus x is there. So what I am doing, I am transposing this minus x on the right hand side. So it become positive x. Now numbers I will transpose on the left side. And when you are transposing numbers on the left side, the number which is already there on the left side, that you have to write always first. And now minus 31 by 14 I am transposing to the left side. So this minus becomes 31 plus 31 by 14. Okay. Now you know, again you have the remainder, the denominator is not same. So what is the LCM of 2 and 14? 14 is the LCM. Okay, so now here by what I will multiply here this 2 by 7, so that you will get 14, and 14 direct we have written. So in the numerator also you have to multiply by that 7. So it becomes what? 7 into 3 is what? Minus 21 plus, here the denominator is already 14. So numerator will remain as it is equal to x. Now solve. negate one negative, one positive in addition and subtraction, so you have to subtract. So 31 minus 21 will be what? 10 by 14 is equal to x. And now just simplify. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. So what you are getting, children? X is equal to 5 by 7. And what is this x? What we have considered in the beginning? This was the number which you have to subtract. So according to the question you will write now, therefore minus 5 by 7 should be subtracted from what? From minus 3 by 2 to get minus 31 by 14. Okay, so in this way you can simplify the examples. Okay, now fourth sum is your homework. Fourth you can do. Question is, what should be added to 5 by 6 to get 41 by 24? So children, what should be added to 5 by 6? So let the required number to be added is what? X. And then according to the condition or according to question, what will be the step? 5 by 6 plus x is equal to 41 by 24. And in the same way you transpose and you will get the answer. Okay. Now let's move to question number 5. Here question reading is very, very important, children. Everything is based on question. The students who understand the meaning of the question, half of the question is solved there only. Okay, now let's see question number 5. Question 4 is homework. Okay, question 4 is what? Homework. Means you have to write on your own. Now question number 5. Let's write, subtract the sum of minus 2 by 7 and 3 by 14 from the sum of, it's also easy, from the sum of 11 by 14 and 15 by 42. See, first we understand the meaning of the question. The question is, you have to subtract the sum of these two rational numbers from the sum of these two rational numbers. It means what you have to find, we can see, it's your choice. Either you can write the complete question in one step, or you can go in two different steps also. So see, if I want to write in one step, so what I will do? See, subtract the sum of these two from the sum of these two. So whatever the sum of first two rational numbers you will get, that you have to subtract from the sum of last two. So from, I already told you कि जी from के बाद जो words रहते हैं वो पहले आते हैं. From the sum of, so see, solution we will write according to question, from the sum of. So take bracket, children, always take bracket, from the sum of these two. What you have to do? You have to subtract. So take subtraction sign. What you have to subtract? The sum of these two. Means the sum of these two means this one, that is minus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 14. Okay. Now just simplify, you will get the answer. Simplify the brackets first. Again, you know, here is 42 will be the LCM. You know, you have to make the denominator equal. Okay, let me write it. Step is long. Take equal to sign. Now see, 42 is the LCM. Here by what you will multiply in the denominator? By 3. So here also you have to multiply by 3 to make the denominator equal. whatever LCM. So you will write here 11 into 3. Okay, plus here 42 is already there, so no need to multiply by anything. Your numerator will be as it is. Now here minus is already there. First see the bracket, 7 and 14. What is the LCM? 14. Here you will write minus 2 into, by what you will multiply to make this as 14? By 2. So here also you have to multiply by 2. So write 2 plus here already so see, let me write properly, 2. Okay, plus here the denominator is already same, so it will remain as it is, numerator. Now just simplify. 11 3s are 33 plus 15 by 42. It is in the bracket. Minus, now simplify these two. 2 2s are 4 and minus is there, so minus 4 plus 3 upon 14. Okay children, now see, just simplify, add these two. 5 plus 3 8, 3 plus 1 4, 48 by 42 you got. This minus, now minus 4 plus 3 is what? Minus 1 upon 14. Now as soon as you have simplified the bracket, now you can remove the bracket. See, all the terms whatever in the bracket we have simplified now. So we have got this. So remove the bracket, 48 by 42. Now this minus into minus become plus and 1 by 14. Now you can see what clicks me here. Again I have to make the denominator equal, and again I will find what? LCM. And what is the LCM? 42. And here already the denominator is same, so no need to multiply the numerator by any number. And here you can see, here the denominator is 14 and here it is 42. So to make it 42, you know you will multiply this by 3. So the same multiply here also by 3. So when you multiply 1 by 3, or you can write like this children, so that you can understand. 48 plus 3 ones are 3 by 42. Now 51 by 42. Okay. Now children, you can reduce it into the simplest form. You know what is the test of 3? Both the numbers are divisible by 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. So it is divisible by 3. So 51 is also, and this also. So when I will divide this 42 by 3, I am getting 14. And here I am getting 17. So what is the answer? The answer is 17 by 14 is the answer. Okay. So I hope you understood whatever the sums we have studied today. Question 1 easy, question 2 also. The whole lesson is easy, you know. If you have studied, if you have practiced integer lesson and fraction lesson very well. Okay. So in the next lecture we are going to study question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Till then, okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.